Thank you very much. Thank you. मेरा नाम डॉक्टर जगदीश चतुर्वेदी है and I was born in Bangalore, raised in traffic. But मेरे पेरेंट्स चाहते थे हमेशा कि मैं डॉक्टर बनूं, तो मैं डॉक्टर एक्चुअली बन गया हूं. I am studying for ENT surgery. And now I'm suspended and about to be banned from the exams. But I am also a theatre artist and an actor. Thank you. But I am banned from there also. So now I'm trying stand-up comedy. अभी तक बैन नहीं हुआ मैं.
All right, ladies. Are you ready for your first ENT surgery? Then who is going to assist me?
Him, sir. Him, sir. Him, sir. Him.
No escapism. You will assist. Come on, quick. No, not this way. Hold your nadas. Come on, you are going to be surgeons. Tie surgical knot.
Surgical knot?
Now don't be scared like I'm doing a surgical strike on you. How will you assist me if you don't know how to tie a surgical knot? Focus. I'm going to show you once. Take a suture, then use your middle and ring finger and pull it out. Now you do it to Jagdish. Sister, you please leave it. Jagdish, now you suck. Hold here. Hold this. Suck more. Deeper.
Sister, can you give me another suction, please, sister?
डोबा सिस्टर देखा हूँ चूंदा ना.
What?
I'm senior anesthetist Dr. Ramya, okay? કોણ છે ડફો અને આવી રીતે કેવી રીતે વાત કરી શકે છે?
Dr. Ramya, please calm down. I apologize on his behalf. नया है, आज उसका पहला दिन है, इस जोकर को कुछ पता नहीं है.
અરે નવો હોય કે જૂનો પણ બધાને ખબર તો હોવી જોઈએ ને કે यहाँ कौन काम करे and how to respect them and you. तुम ऐसे बात कैसे कर सकते हो मेरे साथ? तुम्हें क्या लगता है सिर्फ लड़के डॉक्टर्स होते हैं?
नहीं मैम, सॉरी मैम.
नहीं, सॉरी का क्या मतलब है? Tell me. Why you think only man can be doctors?
No. It's not like that at all, ma'am. Women can also be a man. I mean, women can also be a doctor.
छोड़िए ना मैम, आपके डर से तो इसकी पैंट ही गिर गई है.
Who is doing the night duty today amongst you? And where is the intern? She has to be there on night duty.
I'll do it, sir.
Where were you? Why you weren't there at rounds?
Sir, actually yesterday was my last day in ENT. I'm now in Gynac. Dr. Sunita ma'am called me, so I came, sir.
So who is supposed to come instead of you?
Sir, Vidyut was... I mean, he didn't report today. I thought he had. I'm really sorry for the confusion.
Sorry, sir, was not feeling well.
What sorry? No excuse. Stay with Dr. Jagdish for the night duty. Fill up all the forms. Fill up all the entries. And also reports. Okay? In case of emergency, you must call me immediately at any time. And one more thing. Stay focused.
So guys, it was 1st of May, literally a Labor Day for me. And while delivering the baby, a senior nurse was assisting me. Her name was Narsamma. Name changed. और जिसका डिलीवरी करना था उसका नाम था गर्भम्मा. Name changed. अच्छा, बड़ी अजीब चीज हो रही थी. जितनी बार लाइक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा था गर्भम्मा को, नरसम्मा would do something very strange. मुक्कम्मा. क्या मुक्का कर रही है? लाइक फोकस. बेबी का हेड आ रहा है, नरसम्मा लाइक मुक्कम्मा. I should treat her, I should treat you. Let me focus. But बड़ा addicting था, so I started doing मुक्कम्मा. Garbhamma started doing मुक्कम्मा. Whole ward started doing मुक्कम्मा. I was like, yeah, let's put an end to this. So I went to the waiting room area. I'm like, मुक्कम्मा एली तेरा. They're calling you here. Nursamma is like, doctor is so cute, doctor. Varun Gandhi. She's like, मुक्कम्मा in Kannada means push. Oh. And I was like, Pushpamma. I was removed from that posting because Pushpama's husband was looking for me. His name was Gundappa.
Yes, Varshu.
Hi, has it started yet?
अब क्या करें यार, हो गया. No, not yet.
Did you shave or you went like a beggar? Means shaved or not shaved?
Shaved.
I know you haven't shaved. Anyways, please don't mess things up as usual. Otherwise, khatam kar दूंगी.
I'll shave. मेडिकल में बहुत कंपटीशन रहता है. शादी जल्दी करनी होती है.
Jagdish, this patient has extensive nasal polyposis. Can you tell me why have you got a chest X-ray done?
फिर सर्जरी खत्म करने के बाद नोट्स डालो. फिर अधमरी स्थिति में बिना नींद के सुबह जब जाओ तो सीनियर रेसिडेंट खड़ी होती है बंठन के ज्ञान टेस्ट करने. और बताओ बेटा.
Okay. What is Samtus tried? Post this case in the morning at 8 am and please make sure that the microdebrider is available.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, and the next time I see you, I want you to know the answers. So please read up and come.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. सेम्टर लाल वाली बुक थी ना, उसमें था वो कुछ.
किताब नहीं लग रहा है यार, कान में कुछ रहेगा. कुछ तो है.
लग गई बट. सिस्टर जी केस पोस्ट करो 8 बजे.
What is this read up and come? Where did I go to read up and come? तो अस्पताल में बैठा हूँ मैं 2 दिन से.